Hey everyone, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix right click not working in your Windows 11. First you need to come over into your Windows bar and then simply click on run, and into the run we can first search for re-edit. So re-edit, click OK, and then we need to look for hkey classes root, open it, and if you click any of these files and then simply click on D, here you will find directory folder. So here is the directory folder, we need it. So now if you open it, then go for background and then go for shellx. After that, in here, if you find any of related IGFX file, then simply delete them. After deleting them, you just simply come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for task manager. And then here you need to find Windows Explorer. Here is Windows Explorer. Click on the right mouse button and reassert them. And this time your problem will be fixed. As you can see, I'm clicking on the right mouse button and now it's working. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.